Hello friends, today's video is about the Borosil electric kettle. Now if you are a person looking for a compact kettle for your home, you should be watching this review. Now this kettle is made by the company Borosil. The model name is Eva Cooltouch 0.6 SS Kettle. This is not an unboxing kind of video, this is a review, user review. I have been using this kettle for quite some time and I thought that let us make a video on this because many people might be looking to buy a kettle which is compact and which is very user friendly. So let us see what are the features of this kettle. So you can see, I hope you can see this. So the number one feature which I was interested in is this cool touch double wall nature of this kettle. I'll show you why. When I was looking for electric kettles in the market, I found that there were a lot of kettles of different capacities out there in the market, but majority of them were having a body where the outer wall will become extremely hot. So you have to be very careful when you deal with that kind of kettle. But with this kettle, because it is double walled and you can see this outer body is made of plastic, so even when the water boils you can actually touch like this, you can hold like this, and that makes it very safe to use on your table. If you accidentally, sometimes you can forget that it's hot outside, you can just hold like this. With this kettle, even if you forget that and you hold outside, you're not going to scald your hand. But a lot of other kettles out there in the market, they are definitely cheaper than this, but there is a danger of scalding, and especially if you're having kids in your home, this feature is very nice. Now let us see the other features of this electric kettle. So as I said, I hope you can see this. Yes, so the number one cool touch, then it is made of stainless steel food grade. They are mentioning that it's made of 100% copper wire conductor in the power cord. Now why they are mentioning this is there are a lot of kettles out there in the market which are actually made of cheaper components, like some other metal which is cheaper but not very durable. The fourth item is this double protection controller. So it got some system where it will be protecting the kettle from electric short circuits. So let us now go through the features. As I mentioned, it has a concealed heating element for easy cleaning. It's available there with most of the things. Automatically turns off when the water finish boiling. Good thing. Dry boil protection. Now this is a very nice thing because if you accidentally turn on the electric kettle without having water in it, you can actually damage the equipment. But in this case, it has got that protection, so it's a very nice feature to have. Power indicator, that's there with every other model. High quality thermostat, okay. 1.2 meter long power cord. That's actually sufficient for tabletop applications. I'm keeping this on my kitchen tabletop, and this cable length is quite enough for me. Now easy to open, fill close, hinged lid, that's all the normal stuff. Maximum minimum marking made it easy to pull just the right amount of water. Actually, the capacity of this kettle is 600 ml. So if you open and look inside, I hope you can see this. There is this maximum mark here, 0.6 liter, and then there is 0.3 liter. So you have to make a note of this. When you are pouring water into this, you should not exceed this level. Now for people to understand how much water it holds in 600 ml, fine, that we know, but how much it actually holds, that is for that purpose I have kept these two cups here. Now you can see how much is the capacity here. 1 cup gone. So see, this cup was not filled to the brim, it was up to this point. So if you pour that particular amount of water, you can see that it's exactly up to here, this point, max. Okay, so 2 cups of water, that's what you can boil in this kettle. Okay, that boiling part I will show you later. Let's discuss a few other things. So it has got a metal mesh here, like they are mentioned in the feature list. Okay, so let's see the other features of this thing. So you can see it's made of some kind of plastic. It has a gloss finish. Now, the gloss finish in the beginning looks very nice, but if you're not careful with this gloss finish, there is a danger of stain getting on this surface. It's very prone to marking sense stains. Okay, but anyway, this thing looks very premium, to be frank. Here is the on off button. You can see it's like feather touch, like very small movement. See, this is the indicator. Now this is the point of contact. Now they're providing this base. This will rotate in 360 degrees, you can see. So you can place it in any direction. So that's a good thing. You can open like this, stainless steel inside. So that's it about the kettle. Now let's just quickly plug this thing in. You can see it's exactly 600 ml now. Let's close the lid. Now we are going to set a timer for this. Okay, so I hope you can see the timer. Okay, so now we are just going to turn it on and see how fast this thing will boil. Okay, so here we go. I hope you can see this. I hope you can hear this sound 8 seconds. Let's just have a look. What's the position here? So you can see bubbles coming out. Okay, let's close it. Otherwise, we will not be able to gauge it properly. Sorry. 1 minute 20 seconds. So friends, it's raining outside, so there is some other noise coming in, but it's almost close to boiling. At this point I'm going to open it and I'm going to show it whether it has started boiling. Okay, so let's see. So 3 minutes, and let's just open and see what's the position here. So yes, it has started boiling. Let's close it again. So one thing I should say here is that I have opened it now twice, I think, and each time I open it, it will lose some time. So just wait for a few more seconds, I guess. They are telling that it will automatically shut off. Let's see. So friends, it has just boiled. You have seen this. You can see this. It automatically turned off, and the time is 4:49 seconds. Okay, it's less than 5 minutes. Actually, it would boil even before this time because I have opened it twice, I think. So each time it results in the loss of temperature inside. So it is safe to assume that you can get 2 cups of water boiled in this little kettle in less than 5 minutes. So that's pretty nice. Okay friends, so let's pour the hot water into this. See, I can hold it like this safely. That's the highlight of this kettle. You can hold it like this. with other kettles. Most of the other kettles you can't do this, so it's safer for kids as well. So let's see. Okay, so it has boiled. Was it? Here it goes. 2 cups of boiling water. So in the morning, if you would like to have some green tea for a couple, this kettle is very nice. All you need to boil the water in it, and you can go to your living room, keep it there, and have your cup of boiled water or tea very conveniently and very safely as well. So this thing I bought from Amazon for 1250. Here MRP is written as 1490. So anyway, you will be able to get this thing in from, I think, from 1000 to 1500 from your nearby shop or in any of the websites out there. So that's it, friend. That's a review of this kettle. If you're looking for a small kettle, Borosil model Eva Cooltouch 0.6 SS kettle would be a nice option for you. So you can go for it confidently. That's it, friend. Thank you for watching this video.